Hello class, today the new chapter I'm going to start lines and angles, second chapter. In this chapter we are going to explore some of the most basic ideas of the geometric, including points, line, ray, line segment and angles. These ideas from the building blocks, plane of geometry, and will help us to understand more advanced topics in geometry such as the constructions and analysis of the different shapes. Point. Mark a dot on the paper with a sharp tip of a pencil. The sharpener the tip, the thinner will be dot. This tiny dot will give you an idea of a point. Okay class? A point determines precise location which has no length, no breadth, no height. Some models for a point are given below. The tip of a compass, the sharpened end of a pencil, the pointed end of the needle, all these are points. Okay. So if you mark 3 points on a piece of paper, you may be required to distinguish these 3 types. For this purpose, each of 3 may be denoted by a single capital letter as Z, T, P. So these points are read as point Z, point P, point T. Of course, the dot represents precise location and must be imagined to be invisibly thin. Okay class? Now next comes to line segment. What is line segment? So suppose you fold a piece of a paper, unfold it, and then do you see a grease? This gives an idea of a line segment. It has 2 endpoints, that is A and B. Mark any 2 points A and B on the sheet of the paper. Try to connect A and B various routes. What is the shortest routes from the A to B? The shortest part from the point A to point B, including A and B, and that is shown in the figure, okay, which is shown here, and denoted as A to B, and that's called line segment. Okay guys, AB is line segment, is like the top you have to keep a line segment, so that's called line segments. So it is denoted by either AB or BA. The point A and B are called the endpoints of the line segment AB. Line segment AB. Next comes to line. Imagine that line segments from A to B is extend beyond the A, more A. Okay, so it is extends in one directions, so another without any end. So this model is called line. So do you think you can complete the picture of it? No. Why? A line through 2 A and B is written as AB. It extends forever in both the directions. Sometimes line denoted by a letter like L or M. Observe that any 2 points determine unique line that passes through the both of them. Okay. Now we comes to ray. What is ray? Ray is a portion of a line that starts at one point, which is called starting point or initial point of the ray.